CIICO and Omidyar Network India have partnered to create the Citizen Innovation Lab. It's a year-long partnership between the two organizations aimed at creating a strong ecosystem for entrepreneurship in the sectors of civic tech, property right tech, and legal tech. Our goal is to really redefine how innovation and entrepreneurship is carried out in these sectors.
I think many difficult problems are solved with technology and entrepreneurship, but there are some areas which didn't see that. Land rights, access to justice, as well as civic engagement. With COVID, a lot of that is changing. There are a lot of government initiatives in technology. There are things like RERA Stack, open digital ecosystems coming up. And therefore, maybe it's a good time for entrepreneurs to really focus energy on building solutions in these areas.
So the Citizen Innovation Lab is actually broken down into two phases. The first phase is really to help strengthen the ecosystem for entrepreneurship in these sectors. It revolves around us carrying out research, doing a little bit of landscaping of what opportunities exist in these regions, doing knowledge dissemination, creating and activating local ecosystems to be able to support these entrepreneurs. And we are hoping that we can bring together all the stakeholders to provide the necessary support that these entrepreneurs would require in times to come. The second phase, which will start around October 2021, is actually going to provide more active support to the entrepreneurs in various forms. We will have various sprints running, grants, incubation and prototyping support that we will provide to these entrepreneurs. Our goal is to provide everything that gets created in this partnership and program as an open knowledge repository for the community to learn and engage from. So really hoping that the wider community can engage with us in creating these solutions.
What we're really looking for is to have some lighthouse entrepreneurial opportunities showcased at the end of it. And three parts to how we hope to get there. One is really bringing in experts, building knowledge system. Second is really looking for diverse set of entrepreneurs to come into this across the country. And the last thing is documenting learnings so that entrepreneurs in this area can really understand what are the hurdles that hold back innovation so far. Really excited to have a bunch of smart young entrepreneurs come into the Citizen Innovation Lab and hope to see interesting solutions come up which really change the way citizens engage in land rights, access to justice, as well as in the area of civic engagement.